Alrighty, hello from Sunday, January 25. Today is a crazy blizzard snowed in day, so actually we're not going anywhere, we're staying at home. Because we're staying at home, today ended up being a cleaning and catching up on like little things around the house, sweeping, laundry, cleaning out trash, cleaning the bathrooms, things like that. So that's what my morning consisted of. It's now 1:30 p.m. and today what I'm going to do to occupy my time, well, some of what I'm going to do today is journal. This is my journal. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the second thing that I'm going to do. I purchased a kintsugi, I might be pronouncing that wrong, and if so, I'm so sorry, but a repair kit. You know that Japanese art form where when something is broken, like a ceramic piece or a cup, a piece of pottery, to glue it back together, instead of using glue, you use like gold paint and glue. And I actually was at the thrift store the other day and I saw the cutest little tea kettle. I couldn't find the top part of it at all, and I'm going to show you guys it. It's so pretty. Like, guys, look at this beauty. Like, what the heck? What the heck? You guys, like, look at this beauty. It is stunning. Unfortunately, though, it's missing the top part, and I was looking everywhere around the thrift store, and just when I was gonna give up, I don't know how I didn't notice it, but inside the pot was the cover, the little lid, but it's all broken. So what I'm gonna do is use this kintsugi kit and repair it. It's 4 pieces, so I hope it will be a little bit easier. I've never done this before. So this is the resin. It says sprinkle. I'm gonna squeeze out a small amount. Oop, okay. Oh, let's get our gold powder open. Oh my god, it's so gold. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to mess this up. We put this little thingy inside here. We're gonna squeeze a little bit. Bismillah. A little bit of gold in there. And you're supposed to use it quite fast because it dries up really fast, apparently. So let's get our first piece. Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's all gold. I'm gonna take this piece, align it. Let's align this. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, we did it. 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 I really need gloves. Oh god. Oh god. This is a lot trickier than I thought. It's already hardened. I see why they said do it quickly, because it's already hardened. Update, we have a glove on. I mean, serious business. Okay, we're gonna squeeze out some more. A little bit of gold in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next piece. This is actually a lot more fun than I expected. It's quite hard to get it in evenly. Gorgeous. Let's add some more to the side. Oh no! I put some on the wrong side. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we've run into a little bit of difficulty. It's just not looking the cleanest. There's gold on random pieces, so I'm hoping that with a little bit of alcohol, I can clean it up before it fully dries. We have one last piece to put together, so let's do that right now. If you have an interest in doing this, it looks a lot easier than it actually is. Whoops. Again, the tricky thing is that it gets smudged everywhere. So like it gets smudged on the piece. Like look, it falls on other parts of the piece where you don't want the paint to be. Precision, the focus is so real. Here we go, here we go. Oh my god, we did it. We did it. She needs to dry, but basically, guys, we did it. It's one piece now. This is so exciting. Okay, once she dries and everything, we'll polish her, clean her up a bit, and then hopefully get, you know, the little gold stains on the other parts off. The hands are so gold, and I think that's just what we're gonna have to deal with for the rest of the day. Maybe even tomorrow. The snow outside is bonkers. Oh my god, and it's still going. It's still going. Snow and sushi. Ready. Woo! So here's what we are doing today. I am going to coach later in a few hours, but before that, I'm going to this cute little wellness center to do like a massage chair thing, and they're having hot chocolate and tea. It's this cute little take a break event thing that's happening. So I was like, let's go, let's check it out. So that's what we're doing. We're in the city. We drove over an hour, y'all. It should have taken me 29-ish minutes max. It took over an hour. So it's still super icy on the streets. Wait, it says I've like low-key arrived, but it's not anywhere here. Like, look at the streets, by the way. Woo! Oh my god, it's like rough out here. But it's not here. What? Y'all, this is giving sketch. I don't know where I'm supposed to be going. I found it. Okay, we're going in. Oop! We're going in. I have to go upstairs. Okay. Going up. This is like sketch. What the heck? This is locked. Y'all? What the heck? I tried this door, but it opens. I'm so confused. Hi. Hi. Alrighty, we did it, and I'll update later because I feel like I can't talk here yet, or I'm not 100% comfortable vlogging in public with people looking at me yet. But there's this cutie place called Patango. Let me see what they have. Maybe I'll grab a little drink and then I'll head to the stew. I changed my mind about vlogging in public because we should learn to have no shame and face our fears and whatever. So I'm gonna do that, even though people are looking at me funny. It's okay. But yeah, so oh, the roads are icy. Goodness. LOL at me saying I'm gonna face my fears and everything, and the minute someone walked by, me being like, was I silent or was I silenced, right? Alrighty, I'm in the car, and well, obviously. What is going on with my Bluetooth? Every time it connects, it gives me a jump scare. So I'm in my car where it's warm and safe, and tomorrow I wake up hella early. It's just gonna be one of those days where we just have to persevere. Cool thing about where I parked right now is that I don't have to pay for parking, which is great, we love. But unfortunately, because I finished so late at night, it's quite like a drive from the studio. I mean, it's quite a walk from the studio. It'll probably take me about 10 to 15 minutes. And because I'm in the city, I don't feel safe in the middle of the city walking, even just 15 minutes to my car. Like, better safe than sorry, right? So I would rather park at the street right outside the studio, just like a 30-second to 1 minute walk, rather it be like a 15-minute walk all the way. Even though I'm probably going to be okay, like inshallah, I would rather. Oh, I'm so tired. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go try to find paid parking, as if the US of A needs more of our money. Y'all, joke's on me. I cannot find parking. Dear God, guys. No. This is not good. This is not good. It's not what I wanted. This is not what I planned, and I have to say I do not understand. Ya Rab, help me find parking. Ameen. Okay? Now that we said our prayer, we will find a spot. Right, we did the prayer, okay? We turn. We did not find a spot. We did not find a spot. Y'all, this is a problem. Problem of major kind. What will we do? What will we do, my friends? Now we will do another circle. Yes, we already did the circle, but we're gonna do even one more circle. Even one more circle. Should we ask a friend? I'm scared. Hello. Hello. Hi, are you gonna be leaving soon? Oh my god, Nika! Girl! What are you? I'm trying to steal your spot. You just got here? Yeah. Oh, I thought you were leaving. I thought you were someone leaving. What? Yeah, okay. Sorry. Wait. I'll see you soon. I'm dead. That is so funny. My good friend Nika, it was my girl. On top of her being my good friend, she's someone in my class, literally, and not me trying to steal my client and my good friend's spot. LO fucking Eleanor, that was fucking hilarious. LOL. Found parking, and actually I'm gonna grab a hot chocolate. Honestly, I wish I could sleep. I am so cold. I am so cold. I'm gonna coach like this.
You should.
I'm dead. Hi, vlog.
I'm walking like this because Sarah killed my inner thighs.
I didn't really kill him that much.
No, I'm dying. I'm sore.
I'm so cold. I'm gonna coach like this girl.
As you should. As you should.
I think Nika's here.
It's giving club.
Yeah.
Scream. Hey. It's giving club.
It's giving club.
And why am I not in
Giving
this class?
club going up.
Oh my god. I remember wanting to take this class, and then I was like, oh, I'm working.
I was literally just saying, I think Nika's coming, and I wanted to catch you on the vlog. Hi, beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
I'm trying to finish my coach duties quick because it's really late. Let me change this. It is 10:40 p.m. and this gal is a sleepy gal, a cold gal, and we've gotta leave, go home, and sleep. But thanks for hanging out with me.